to a brand new day. Join us here, there's so much to say. Chatting about the highs and lows, every simple thing that life bestows. So grab a cup and settle in, it's time to let the day begin. Morning light, we're shining bright, life's a journey, let's hold it tight. From laughter to the little things, every moment is what tomorrow brings.
I'm Natasha,
And I'm Kai.
and we've got a surprise for you.
So follow, like, and share Sinag Digital Media on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
Because anything is possible under the sun. Why are you hot chocolate?
JB, if Ronnie was a coffee order, what is she? And Ronnie, ikaw din. Ano si JB? Anong klaseng kape si JB?
For me, coffee chocolate.
Ako naman is more on an iced tea.
If you were to be a coffee, who's Mega if he was a coffee?
Mga tusino.
I'm having cappuccino ulit.
Wow.
If I were, yes, well, I think parating yun sa inyo. But if I were to have you as a coffee, wow, Mega, yes.
Have you?
If I were to have you, no, if you were to be a coffee, who's Mega if he was a coffee?
I used to order hot chocolate, even at work. Joke, di ba?
May tanong, like, how about you, JB? At gusto ko yung itanong kay JB and kay Ronnie. JB, if Ronnie was a coffee order, what is she? And Ronnie, ikaw din. Ano si JB? Anong klaseng kape si JB?
For me, coffee chocolate.
Wow.
Siya siya.
Kasi since before pa, mahilig talaga ako sa coffee chocolate. Kasi, ang asawa ko kasi yung nagbibigay sa akin ng strength. Siya talaga yung dahilan lahat, kaya nandito rin ako.
Knocks naman. Ako naman is more on an iced tea. Aside from it, I'm a nurse kasi ako by profession. So, iced tea kasi meron siyang health benefits. So, JB is my happy pill and also, it makes me healthy. Yan.
Ayan, speaking of iced tea, nandiyan ang iced tea.
Yan.
mo.
Thank you naman po.
Thank you so much sa aming drinks.
Ito siya ng color, mama. Orange. Eh, yung hot chocolate. Kunwari pa siya.
Yeah.
Pero naka-iced tea ka ngayon, no?
Actually, tinan natin, no? Like, iba-iba talaga tayo ng drink. Like, I'm having coffee, hot chocolate, iced tea, and you're having a little bit of cinnamon. Kay, parang iba-iba talaga tayo ng style. Pero, lalo-lalo na sa inyo, JB and Ronnie, how did you guys come up with, your account, your story together as the Lukmans?
Yes,
How did that come about?
Yes, to make it short, we all started at Filipino Bloggers in Qatar. Like, it's a group of bloggers supporting small blogger. So, we all started there. So, ako pa lang yung sobrang active. Ako kasi talaga yung gusto ko yung ganito. Si JB lagi yung behind the camera. Ako yung magla-live, si JB lagi yung kukunan. So, ganun siya. So, nawala yung group na yon. Tapos nagpakasal kami. So sabi ko, oy, kailangan natin mag-rebrand. So naging The Lukmans kami. Yun yung last name ni JB. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan maging active ka. Hindi ka pwedeng laging nasa behind camera. Kasi may kulit siya eh. Yung kulit na, alam mo yung parang matutuwa yung mga audience. Diba?
Parang hindi naman.
Yun yung ano namin. Yung story. Kaya naging The Lukmans. So, I'm happy kasi ngayon, nagiging active na siya, nagla-live. Tapos ngayon may interview. Kasi hindi naman siya talaga, first time niyang mag-interview ng ganito. Kaya, so I'm happy ako kasi nakakapag-live na siya. Hindi na siya camera shy. Yan.
Wow.
Napaka-blessed pala namin na ito ang first appearance mo for an interview.
Makapalam talaga mukha ko. Wala na akong choice.
Wala na siyang choice kasi mag-aaway kami.
Parang gunshot wedding ang nangyari dito.
Yes. Pag hindi ka pumunta, away tayo. 3 araw, di mag-uusap, ganon.
Ilibing mo ng buhay na.
Yes.
I have a question for Mega. Kasi like when I first met you talaga, yung energy that you brought into the room during Sinag Media Night is like a big energy na para kang may sariling sunlight na dala.
Sunlight.
Ito
Sunlight. Ganun nila.
ito din ba? Like, and then nakita ko din sa mga content mo, it's the energy that you bring also onto your content. Pero off-cam, who is Mega off-cam?
To be honest, shy type ako.
Guys, fake news no, hindi talaga.
No, to be honest, I'm very transparent person, you know. You see what you get, so kung nakita mo akong happy, all out. Same in the room. So most of the time wala ako sa room ko. Pag nasa room ako, especially pag off ako, nagda-dance ako, you know, nag-live ako, you know, because I want to see the real me, on or off, you know, public din. Kita mo sometimes nagpo-post ako, naglilinis ako ng toilet, you know, ng kitchen, nag-live cooking ako. Yung ganun. I want myself to be busy because on the same time, I want to display that I'm a human being, you know, na nasasaktan ka, nag-work ka dito, ito yung make yourself busy and somehow to stress out. So, I want to be the real person in and out of public. So, yun.
Pero did you ever post anything that you needed to parang retract or take back or delete kasi parang natakot ka that you'll be cancelled or natakot ka na maging controversial?
Wala pa. Miski hindi rin ako mahilig mag-filter.
So, hashtag no filter.
Hashtag talaga no filter, to be honest.
Wala siyang takot.
Hindi naman sa walang takot, it's just because I want to tell the people that you have a voice. You can do whatever you want as long as you have the heart and you know what you are doing. So, somehow nagiging respectful ka din dun sa ginagawa mo and at the same time sa country na pinagtatrabahuhan natin, we're working now is you have to embrace their policy. So, nagiging parang maingat ka din. Hindi dahil sa natatakot ka, but because you respect the people who are living here and also the people around you. So parang sa akin, post ka lang ganun, pero syempre may limitasyon ka na alam mo sa sarili mo, wala ka masasagasaan o masasagasaan.
Do you read your comment section? Like, yung mga nag-react sa mga content mo, do you read it?
Opo, nire-read ko.
And did you ever have like a reaction na parang sabi mo nga, you have to respect. Eh, may iba ba na nag-bash or hindi nag-respeto sa'yo?
Meron naman, so nag-ano na akong mama.
Ang galing mag-aaway.
Kasi pag wait you stoop to their level, parang ikaw na yung magiging parang ano mo yung bakyatig na, di ba? Na pag pinatulan mo, hindi yung titigan, pag pinatulan mo ng pinatulan, hindi sila titigan. End up, ikaw na yung magiging masama. Parang gano'n.
Yeah, sa content ninyo, Ronnie, may mga instances ba na may content kayo na kailangan may lagyan nyo ng preno or sa tingin nyo over the top siya and then you have to like really edit it out or how challenging content production is for both of you?
Actually, most of the time we do live kasi. So, alam na namin yon. Before pa lang yan, always kami, inaano ko kasi sa kanya JD. You have to research, alam mo dapat kung paano itatanong mo, sasabihin mo sa mga audience mo. Which is, ginagawa niya ang assignment niya. Kasi pag hindi niya ginawa, ako kasi yung medyo strict. Siya yung medyo happy-go-lucky, yung ganon. Which is ginagawa niya, kaya walang away. Ganon siya. Pero may time kasi na ang nag-bash siya sa amin, yung nasa isang sa isang food vlog, tapos may nag-comment, ang dami niya question, tapos sa bandang huli, kaya ka tumataba, parang nasabi. Nasabi ko na lang, sorry, marami kasi akong pambili ng rice. Saka mahal ako ng asawa ko. Bakit ako magdadaya? Parang ganon.
Cheers to
Yes.
that!
Correct.
Cheers natin! Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers! Ay, alisin ko to.
More food to come pa.
Yes. Diba? Asawa ko nga never sinabi mag-diet. Ang sinasabi nila, stay healthy. So, bakit ako tatamado sa comment na yun? Yun, drinks.
I love it.
Okay, for as I understand it, kasi galing din kayo sa Filipino vloggers community, may time ba na mismong somebody from the Filipino vloggers community commented something negative?
No. Actually, we really want that group kasi papaka yung support system sa amin. Kaya nga dun kami nananahasa talaga when it comes sa live, kung paano maging professional. Nung time na yun kasi, nung before pandemic, sobrang sikat nung FBQ. Minsan pag lumalabas kami, nagpa-picture. Kaya wala noon, never na ako nang humabas na naka-makeup. Labat nila na naka-makeup ako postura. Kasi nagugulat ako, may mga nagpapa-picture. Pero yung naging negative niya is, marami nag-chat na babae kay JB.
Ay.
Sorry, love
Ay.
na filter.
JB, anong pakiramdam na maraming babaeng nakikipag-chat sa'yo?
Wala lang. For me kasi wala na akong nakikita.
Wey! Ang ganda-ganda mo, mama. Di ka na. Hindi na tayo, di ba?
Kasi lalaki
Out ka
naman kasi,
naman.
diba?
Pero totoo yan, may mga how to deal with that.
Mahirap
Lalo na as a married couple, and then you get all the exposure, you meet a lot of people. So, ikaw, JB, how do you handle those situations?
Kasi ayoko naman magpa-plastic, diba? Lalaki din ako. Pero akin kasi pinangahawakan ko sa tagal namin pinagsama mag-asawa. For me kasi pinapangalagaan ko yung mga previous na pinagdaanan namin. Hindi naman lahat sarap ang pinagdaanan namin, which is yun ang pinangahawakan for me. Pag ito binitawan ko or naghanap ako ng iba, parang sinaktan ko rin yung taong minahal ko ng buong.
Ganda mo na.
Nox, parang ganda ko ngayon. Check lang. Uy.
May tanong pa ako, meron bang like instances na feeling ninyo wild na yung comments or yung message ng fan na yon during either kasi kayo for the three of you, si JB ang nasa hot seat natin ngayon, what's the wildest comment or medyo controversial comment from a fan towards you? May ganun ba?
Actually, wala naman. Kasi usually nagla-live lang ako eh. So kung may sinasabi ko sa kanila, mag-enjoy na lang kayo, bahala kayo. Yun lang. Wala naman usually.
Balita namin, super BTS fan ka.
Ay,
Sharon.
wow.
And Sharon.
Ay,
Kaya
Sharon
pala
din
mega.
talaga ako. Opo, yeah. So, since, I think, grade 2 ko, doon ko na-discover na Sharon yan pala talaga ako. Kasi bida-bida ako sa school. Noong mga time na yun, yung mga teacher, yung mahilig sila magtinda ng mga tusino, kung ano, di ba? Tapos kung sabi na, lalabas na kami, may PTA meeting ka na ganyan, tapos mawawala pala si mama magtitinda. So maghahanap sila yung magpe-perform sa akin. Ay, bida-bida ka talaga, kanta talaga akong biting walang ningning. Hanggang mag-high school, college, sa mga United Nations, di ba? May kagandahan pa yung boses ko. So masali talaga ako. Sharon yun na forever.
So,
Ipagpapatayan ko yung salag.
So, kung makakollab mo si Sharon sa any content, anong gagawin mo? Ano kaya? What's the dream
Ay, Diyos ko, pwede na akong mamatay. Pwede mo na akong maging Lord, di ba?
Ayan na.
Di ba? Kaya dito talaga eh. Di ba? Ano ba ito, Lord? Di ba?
Dream collab mo with Sharon, mga sing-off kayong dalawa, ganon.
O kaya one on one to. Di ba?
Oo.
O kaya movie together. Ang visual na lang. Marunong naman ako umiyak. Wala nang manonood. Joke ka na lang.
For our couple, ano yung pinaka-biggest misconception about being, ng viewers ninyo about being influencers or sa content ninyo? May mga ganun bang scenario minsan?
Yes, may mga comment na parang, okay, sinasabi mo na masarap yung food kasi, in-sponsor. May mga ganun na comment. Tapos, pero kasi kami, may mga, syempre, hindi naman laging perfect. Kaya kumukuha sila ng mga influencers para mag-improve sila. So, hindi na namin kailangan sabihin yun minsan sa camera. It's our respect. Diba? So, behind the camera, doon kami nagbibigay ng comments. Kung ano yung food na sobrang nagustuhan namin, yun sobrang pinopromote namin. Yun yung parang binibigyan namin ng highlight. Tapos yung weakness nila, kinasabi namin siya behind the camera na. Kasi para din yun sa sa sponsor mo, sa nagano. At saka hindi naman lahat ng pinopost namin sponsor eh. Yung iba, gumagastos kami pag meron kami nagustuhang food, kahit hindi sponsor, pupost namin yun.
Ang ganda ng ethics na yun for me. Like, I really appreciate how well you are working with your clients also, right? So, paano kayo nila nakikita or yung content niyo? Do you get invited or
Yun, most of the time na mini-message kami, meron pa kaming halimbawa, kakilala. May kilala kaming vlogger, ito, ganyan. Marami kasi yung mga, di ba, mga friends namin. Ini-invite kami sa mga, minsan nagugulat na lang kami na may invite kami sa isang restaurant. Sobrang saya kasi, katulad yan, mayroon na ding minsan, uy, ito yung The Lukmans. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa kasi naano na kami, nakikilala kami as The Lukmans, which is our last name.
Celebrity feels.
And I'm sure nagkakaroon kayo ng maraming friends, right?
Yes,
The
yes.
process. But nagkakaroon ba kayo ng situation na medyo yung tinatawag na like plastikan friendship in the influencer world? Ikaw, Mega? May ganun ba?
Normal siguro yon, pero ikaw as a person, you need to handle it appropriately, whether you're in public or sa sarili mo. Because at the end of the day, it's not that person na excuse me, natutuliw ko, na nakakatampuhan mo or sa mga nakapagplastika mo na nadidefine as a person. But ikaw, how you approach the situation. So for me, parang dead ma lang, or if ever now we confront each other or we meet along the way, civil lang, casual lang, yun ganun. Kasi at the end of the day, tao pa rin siya. Tao pa rin, di ba? And pareho kayong magkatugo, pareho kayong Pilipino, di ba? You should raise your flag, di ba? Parang be
Yes.
proud, yung ganon. So ako, I never keep any guidance if ever na magkaroon akong tampuhan. Pero pag once na alam ko, may boundary ka, I have a right then na deadmahin kita or mag-hi hello lang, pero no conversation at all. Ganon.
So may mga nagkaroon ng ganong situations sa community dito.
Normal, meron naman to.
And paano yun? Para, as you said, ikaw genuine ka, you meet them and everything, you keep it civil. Pero may mga iba ba na hindi civil sa'yo?
Meron din po, pero para sa akin is, I don't care na lang. Kasi yeah, as what I said earlier, it will not define who am I. It's him or her at the end of the day, di ba? So parang,
Yes.
pag-pray mo na lang na sana time will come na alam mo matapos din, everything that happens for a reason, then everything naman will end up. So, then mo na lang. Yun, para ka naman tayo.
That's true, that's true. And what about those real friends naman? Like the ones that you really know na nakilala ka before you became an influencer. Did that friendship change nung nagkaroon ka ng online success? Did you
They're
feel the
happy,
true
yeah. They're very
friendships?
happy, yeah. They're very
Yeah.
happy for like if ever meron man tayong natanggap na success or achievement. They're happy for me. What is sa akin, that's a real friendship,
Yeah.
di ba? Na lows and down ng life mo, nandiyan sila for you. Like for example, si Sap or si Ahmed or those people I work with from my previous company and the current, and also yung Filipino community, ang dami nila kung a decade na, which is I'm really very grateful. So parang it's for me, we have to help and build each other up. That's very important.
Correct.
Yeah.
To the Lukmans, like, when did you feel na influencer level na yung content ninyo?
Sa akin naman, for me hindi ko naman inisip yun. For me kasi hindi ko yun iniisip. For me, go in the flow lang ako. Kung ano yung man yung nakakilala or nakakita sa amin, nakakapanood sa amin, wala lang. Ini-enjoy lang namin eh. Kumbaga, sinishare lang namin kung ano yung meron sa mga nanonood.
Yes.
Ganun lang kami. Happy-go-lucky lang
Correct.
kasi kami mag-asawa.
Correct. Kasi we want, yung every event, for example, every experience, we consider it as our date. Ganun kami, we experience as part of our journey. Kasi dito kami sobrang naging close mag-asawa. Sobrang opposite namin. But when it comes to vlogging, parehas kaming na-in-love doon. So, we want parang, imagine, Valentine's Day, nasaan kami? Nasa laro kami ng Gilas, Pilipinas, di ba? Pero syempre, kasi may mahal namin to, at saka we really want always, kung ano ba yung goal namin, we want to enjoy this. Kasi ginagawa namin tong parang journey, a diary, na pag nagkaroon na kami ng anak, kasi yun yung sinabi namin, once we have a baby, priority na natin yan. If we need to stop yung vlogging, we will stop. So, ito, gusto namin, pag nag-look ba kami, tinignan ng anak ko, oy, mami, daddy namin, vlogger sila. So, good vibes, yung binanadala sa mga tao. Yun yung gusto namin, pag nagka-baby kami.
Oh,
Kaya enjoy.
What's your take on people who share a lot about their kids and their baby on social media? What's your take on that?
Actually, there's no problem kasi kung may share ako, lalo na nurse ako, I have a lot of inputs kasi especially ngayon I did my research kung paano mag-aalaga ng baby, ano yung mga do's and don'ts. Ako, willing ako. Pwede kong i-share yung mga bagay. Pero siguro kasi sa part ni JB, which is Muslim, meron kasi silang tinatawag na hindi mo pwedeng agad ipakita yung mukha ng baby, hindi lahat pwedeng i-share. Kailangan kong irespeto yon. Pero when it comes to health, kaya-kaya yan.
Which is, makakatulong talaga yun. Because there's so many things that are not actually known by a lot of moms, new parents when the baby's born. So, as you said, you have a voice, you guys have a voice, and you have the knowledge as a nurse and with your practice to share mga good practices din.
Yes.
Pero, parang sa akin paminsan may overshare kasi dun sa mga kids. Parang overexposed. Like, nagiget ko yung sa side mo, JB, na parang may iba na, you know, like, you have to respect also the child. They did give their consent, actually, to expose their face. But, yeah, it's a good balance.
I think yes, I agree with you. It's a good balance kasi for me, kung magkakaroon man ako ng vlogging na ipapakita ko yung kids, more out of the experience na lang siguro din, at saka as much as possible, hindi namin masyadong ipapakita yung face ng anak namin. Parang sa amin niya lang to. We will give you all the information, knowledge that you want, but ibigay niya sa amin yung gusto namin as a parent. Kasi, syempre, kami kasi sobrang hirap para bumuo na baby. So, may ganun kaming pinagdadaanan ni JB. So, matagal na namin gusto mag-baby until now, nag-undergo pa rin ako ng treatment. So, parang gusto namin, pag once we have our baby, amin yun. Privacy namin yun.
It's really nice to hear about your future content about having kids and things. But I have to ask Mega also, kung ikaw ba, meron kang future content for your blog, ano yun?
Actually, I'm looking forward talaga kasi I already started during COVID. I had like yung podcast. I did it Instagram live, so I already interviewed some Filipino bloggers and also international influencers in Qatar. Then gusto ko siyang i-push to inspire more people, not only the blogger but also those individual na yung mga simple lang to showcase ano yung life nila dito sa OFW, kung what made them busy, ano yung mga bagay na struggle na pinagdadaanan nila. Yung more on like, you're just sitting in your room with
Relax.
your
Parang ganito.
podcast like this. Like you're talking under the sun, discussing everything, you know. So yun yung nilook forward ko. Actually, we're on it now, so inshallah, mag-tuloy.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much for spending the afternoon with us, JB, Ronnie, and Mega.
Yes,
Thank you.
guys. And I just really wanted to add, like, this is a thing, like, to share that you guys are, you know, trying to have a baby and that is a struggle. I really commend you for that.
Thank
a lot
you.
of people don't, you know, it's a hard thing to say. It's a hard thing to say, and I feel you in this moment because for me, I think like, it's funny because when you're a teenager, you're like trying so hard not to, you know, have a baby. And then suddenly you reach this age and you think it's gonna be so easy, and it's not.
No,
and I think it's a very
yes.
difficult thing to say as a couple. And I think it's also a very manly thing that JB can sit there and be like, yes, it's not easy. Because for the man, sometimes, ano yun eh, it's a moment of like, wait a minute, I'm questioning, you know, the situation also as a woman. So I think, gusto ko lang kayo i-comment.
Wow,
Thank you
thank you
for
so
sharing
much.
that.
Thank you for so much.
Thank you for trusting
Thank you,
Sinag.
guys.
Yes.
Thank you for trusting us with
Thank
that.
you everyone.
Tsaka gusto,
Thank
yung
you so
magandang
much.
makita talaga na habang nag-grow, like, yung story niyo, nag-grow yung journey niyo, and yung kay Mega din, that, you know, we're doing it together, we're growing together. Because at CNN Digital Media,
We shine brighter together!
Under the sun, every drop is a shot of inspiration.
Under the sun, gising na gising ang araw nyo.
So follow, like, and share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Because anything is possible
Under the sun.
Laughter to the